refreshing and repainting old Barbie accessories. I've had these little bits for a little while now, and I thought I'd finally repaint them and refresh them. I use my favorite spray paint to spray paint this. This is Ultra Black spray paint from Krylon. I took a few good coats of the spray paint to get good coverage. After they were painted, I hit them with some of my Sharpie markers, metallic Sharpie markers. The cameras turned out pretty nice. I added some color to this tricorder to make the buttons stand out. The little phone accessories, I found some scrapbook paper, metallic scrapbook paper, and used some sticky back or double sticky tape to put the screens into place. For this accessory, I needed to cut off this strange bit in the front. After cutting it off, it seemed to be a great accessory without it. I'm not really sure what this piece was for, but it was easy to take off. I just used an X-Acto knife and cut it off, and then shaved it a bit. I wanted to color the buttons with some of my Sharpie markers, metallic Sharpie markers, to make them stand out more. This is a great looking accessory, and I thought it'd make a great field accessory for my Brass Eagle Adventure team. So these are the two laptops I've just finished refreshing. This one came with the Action Jackson set videos. A picture of that would be right here. I peeled off the old graphics and stuck a new one on there. Snaps closed. I'll probably cover this with a fresh one. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad. This one you saw I cut off the part there. I used my colored Sharpies to color the buttons some. I didn't do anything about the sticker graphic because I thought it looked pretty cool. I'm not sure what set this is from. It's pretty neat looking. It's probably a Star Trek or something. I don't know. So this is how these turned out. Thought they were pretty cool. The handle's great for dolls with a flat hand. This Asian yoga made to move. I did some custom hands on her, swapped them out for some others that I found. Thought they'd make pretty cool communication devices for some of my made to move figures, so I can use them as support members of the Brass Eagle Adventure team. And these would fit in the flat hands pretty well. Kind of remind me of Nokia phones, but maybe this is an upgraded version. Something like that. Can't remember what this outfit came off of, but it fit her pretty well. So she's going to be a support crew for the Brass Eagle Adventure team. Probably communications or field communications. I got those shoes from a little accessory pack for Barbie. They fit her pretty nice, and they're not too offending, not too pink. So those turned out pretty good. I liked them. So this is that tricorder I recolored. Used my Sharpie markers to color some of the buttons. A little screen. I think it looks much better than that base color that it was. Pretty small. Make a nice little field device for Darren or Sam. It'll probably fit in one of his pockets somewhere. Probably give it to her. It'll fit right in her pocket. She's ready to go. So it fits in her hand pretty well. I think it'll make a nice little field device for her to use. Well, thanks for checking it out. It was fun to refresh some of these items. I have more items I'm going to be refreshing and updating. Probably see a part 2 video of this. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.